We strayed away from something we've been very comfortable with for a lot of years. It was a really good decision for us to move to the Superior brand. Neil Seidenstricker, Director of Operations for York Building Products. York Building Products is a family-owned and operated business. We're working on our 90th year anniversary, so it's a pretty special year for us. Going into the exploratory phase of getting the crushers that were put in spring of 23, you know, we were a one-stop shop. We believed in another brand, and then Kemper brought Superior crushers to the table, and we really liked what we saw. For us, it was almost a no-brainer based on our relationship with Kemper, knowing that we're going to get the service out of it, knowing that we're going to have parts availability. Very solid. We're getting more throughput than we originally thought we would. We like the adjustability of the crushers. Coming to Superior and being able to push a button instead of fighting the shim packages, it's been really good for us on the adjustability part, and you know, being able to kind of hone in our end result in the gradations that we want. The overall functionability of the crushers is superior, no pun intended there, but we really value what we're able to do with the crushers in that capacity.